Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make normal eggs the only way. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add the milk, salt, and pepper, then whisk gently until the yolks and whites are just combined. Next, melt 1 teaspoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. Once your pan is ready, pour the egg mixture in and let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds. This allows the bottom to set slightly. Then, using a heat-resistant spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan. Allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath the cooked portions. Continue this gentle pushing and folding motion, moving the eggs around the pan until they are mostly set but still look slightly moist. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is to remove them from the heat just before they are fully cooked. This prevents them from becoming dry and ensures a creamy texture. Immediately transfer your perfectly cooked scrambled eggs to a warm plate. You can garnish them with fresh chives or a sprinkle of extra pepper if you like. Serve them right away to enjoy their best flavor and texture. For consistently great scrambled eggs, remember a few key tips. Always use medium-low heat. This ensures even cooking and prevents your eggs from browning too quickly. Avoid over-whisking. Just combine the yolks and whites for a tender, fluffy texture. Finally, remove the eggs from the heat when they are still slightly wet. They will continue to cook a little on the plate, ensuring optimal creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.